Before highlighting basic point, I will give the little background. Amar Jain, Imarati, after independence, at 5 years, government is run by that full government. 25 years plus 10 years, which means 35 years, which was ruled by left government, independent. Plus Congress government, 30 years, plus 5 years with the Jute. That means 70 years, in Tripura was ruled by left form and Congress. In BJP, 104 years, BJP government. If you compare all these performance activities for government, I think the people of Tripura should realize that because of 70 years of deprivation, disparity of development in the state, especially among the indigenous people. Now, the new generation will come up to express their pain and agony for the last 70 years, which is totally misruled by left government and Congress. Now, new generation have come up with a demand. Everybody knows. Majority of the indigenous people, people are raising their voice to create a statehood within the state. Everything is a fact. Maximum our young generation are supporting to be taken back. Economic income generation activities under a scheme of tribal supplant, agri and allied activities under Article 275, Chief Minister Swadeval Parivar Yojana, new scheme, special economic development package for the development of tribal people, LLP, NLP, SD group, Suki development, mechanism for marketing of minor forest produce, MFP, state will demand. And every political party, maybe Congress, CPM, they are always focused for the development of private people. But unfortunately, for the 70 years of independence, I'm not saying to say, as a minister, there is a disparity of development, unequal development between here and there. This is the main reason behind why people are trying for their social justice, for economic justice, socio-economic, because of the fact there is a people of Tripura, especially indigenous people of Tripura, were marginalized socio-economically, culturally, even population, they were marginalized. Therefore, before mentioning this report, I would like to apprise the House that BJP elected government with short period of time of performance or activities is appreciated. This is the first time in the history of Tripura that we have got the economic package. Now, in response to the card motion, I would like to bring few points to the House. State government has topmost priority for overall development of scheduled tribe people with a special preference to economic development of scheduled tribe people, and also implementing various developmental activities in more systematic manner. Manifested new development program are being implemented in the state to meet up new challenges. Besides existing scheme are also being reviewed and modified to suit the demand of the current times. Major economic activities being implemented in the state for scheduled tribe people of 2021, which is under the scheme. Emphasis has been given to create of social economic infrastructure in tribal community areas, along with foundation of RDD-based activities during the year 2021-22. Gulf of India has been released 40 crore lakhs for benefit of 1,330 families, private families, on the different income activities. Amount of arrest 2.95 lakhs has been kept as PE for 2022-23 and the mechanism for marketing of minor price product reduce MFP to minimum support price, which is 10% higher. Lastly, we have got sanction 13 crore, 1,300 crore for assistance package for the infrastructure development, road, education, health, water. Now project is going on. That scheme will be completed within 5 years. This is the first time in history of Tripura for the development of tribal people, tribal areas, that special package has been given by central government under leadership of Narendra Modi. So I think there is nothing to say against that motion. National government has got chance 35 years to perform their duties, to serve 70 years of independence, only